Hello, hi everyone. In this video, I would like to show you React Inspector tool, which I have developed as an extension in Google Chrome. So, idea basically this tool is helps you during the development of the React applications, where we can inspect any component or during the development, we need to identify what a component is having, which properties are having. So for that, we basically used to go to Components tab after installing the React DevTools. So when during the development, it's like we have to switch between two to three windows, two to two windows one at a time. We have to inspect them and we have to come back and inspect here. So instead of that, I have created one extension or widget. We can click on any component. We can identify what is the component name, what is the hierarchy of the component, what is the component name, and the properties associated of that, like the properties passed to that component, and as well as styles associated with. And we can also toggle the classes. So just click on any component or any part of the UI, just toggle that. Okay. So at the same time, we can also export a component. Just clicking on export, we can export that component. We can see project card and the properties that are getting passed to it, the component. In the same way, just click on any part of the component. Here the project component is page container. Click on export as JSX. So we can see that page container is getting these properties. And as well as just by clicking on that specific part, no, we can get enable disable of the CSS classes. Okay, so currently this is running in localhost. So this tool is running on the localhost. In the same way, we can see the timing here. So this time is all about the time it's spent to load on the UI. So that is one thing we can observe. If we are having a bigger object, we can this props is for the component, the properties which are getting passed to the specific component. This is the state that the component is maintaining. We can search it using the filter if we want any specific property, and the computed styles. We can toggle the styles. Okay, and yeah, we can drag it on the UI anywhere. If we don't want, we can close it by just clicking on the icon. By pressing Alt plus S, this helps us to open a component search. Okay, if you want to identify how many places or this component has been present on the UI, it is found on the matches 4. That means 4 times this component is getting used on the UI to render it in the UI. So this application, this tool will work on the live sites as well. So we know like Walmart is one thing which has been developed on the React. So just click on any of the just to activate the tool, press Alt plus I and click on the UI on which you want to understand or debug. So, so just clicking on here, you can toggle the classes, the reset button which helps us to get back. This is the component hierarchy. Actually, this is the live site, so that's the reason we're having the minified version of the component names. Export as JSX. Here also we can export the component along with its properties and the time to load the specific component. So on the properties which are getting passed to it, the log fiber React. We now React works on the log fiber React fiber, so we can log that entire tree as well on the React on the console. Okay, and also we can log the specific properties. So if we type this on the console, we can get the entire object, audio load context and global navigation. So whatever it is. So this is all about React Inspector tool. Currently, this has been developed to a version, and then I'm going to add upcoming features in the next version. So this is all about React. This video shows the core features of the React Inspector tool. So during the development phase, I had to switch between the context windows and when the screen is less, when the screen size is less. So and then making half a screen and working on that particular site during the development and switching to the Visual Code, coming to the UI and as well as the inspect tab and VS Code. So all these three things on a small laptop or during the development phase, it is a bit hard to switch between three tabs. So this by using this tool, it helps me to at least making a better UI. In this way, I would like to support the community by making this tool as an open source. Where you can see this repository. So this I'm maintaining for this tool to make this a better tool. And so I would like to yeah. So currently this extension hasn't been deployed to the Chrome extensions. So if you want to use this tool, just download the zip. Once after downloading the zip, go to the Chrome extensions, on unpacked and upload, unzip it and just select the folder and it will be uploaded. It will be visible in the Chrome extensions. Then you can perform, check everything. So I would like to hear your feedback, guys. Based on your feedback, I'm going to improve this tool for further so that it will be helpful for lot many people. If you're a React developer or any person who is working or building the React applications, I would like to hear your feedback. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Thank you. Bye bye.